If you want to add a music player to your GoDaddy website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to embed music in GoDaddy. First, I'll show you the native SoundCloud audio section, and then I'll show you how to embed Spotify or another music service using custom HTML. This is a great way to add background music, playlist previews, podcasts or audio tracks to your website without needing advanced coding skills. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tips. Let's jump in. First, let's look at the easiest method using GoDaddy's built-in audio option. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website builder from your product page. Once the editor loads, go to the page where you want the music player to appear. Then choose the exact spot on the page where you want it placed. Now click Add Section, which is the plus icon in the editor. This opens the section menu on the right side. From there, look for the Audio and Video category. Inside that section, click Audio, then choose the layout you want for your player. GoDaddy gives you a few layout options, so pick the one that best fits your page design. Next, open a new tab and go to SoundCloud. Find the track or playlist you want to use. Click Share, then select Embed. From there, you can customize how the player looks. You may be able to adjust the size, style and display options, depending on the track or playlist. Once it looks the way you want, copy the embed code. Go back to your GoDaddy editor and paste that embed code into the SoundCloud embed code field in the right panel. After that, click Done. Your music player should now appear on the page. You can preview the page to make sure the player is showing correctly and that the design looks good on both desktop and mobile. If you want to use Spotify instead, or any other music service that gives you embed code, you can do that with a custom HTML section. This method is very useful if you want more flexibility, or if your audio provider is not directly supported by GoDaddy. To do this, stay inside your GoDaddy website builder and click Add Section again. This time, search for the Files and Web category. Under that category, select HTML, then click Add. This inserts a custom code area into your page where you can place third-party embeds. Now go to Spotify and open the playlist you want to embed. Click Share, then choose Embed Playlist, and copy the code they provide. If you're using another service like Apple Music, Elfsight, or any similar platform, the steps are usually very similar. Look for a Share, Embed, or Copy code option, then grab the HTML snippet. Return to GoDaddy and paste the embed code into the HTML section you just added. Save your changes, then preview the page to make sure the music player displays properly. If needed, you can resize the section or move it to a better location on the page. That's it. You now know how to add a music player in GoDaddy using either the native SoundCloud option or a custom HTML embed from Spotify or another service. This makes it easy to create a more engaging website and give your visitors a better experience. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.